Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will understand the new concept of the electric current and their effect. Okay. So in previous video we have already understood about the magnetic effect of electric current. So in this video we are going to understand the next part of the magnetic effect of electric current. In this video we will understand how the current carrying conductor is hold in your right hand and how we are going to decide the magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor. Okay. Suppose in this diagram we are holding the current carrying conductor in our right hand like this. Okay. Suppose this is the current carrying conductor and this is the direction of flow of current. Okay. The arrow which is in upward direction shows the direction of flow of current. Okay. This is the current carrying conductor. This is the thumb of our right hand. This is nothing but our hand, and these four fingers are the curl finger. Okay. ऐसी मुड़ी हुई है. That's why we are saying it the curl finger. Okay. So see the curl finger, they are like moving in this direction. Okay. So this is nothing but the direction of the curl finger, which shows the magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor. Okay. So if we will hold the current carrying conductor in such a way that the direction of flow of current is represented by the thumb, then okay, the thumb will show the direction of flow of current, then the curl finger will show the magnetic field produced by the conductor. Okay. So this is nothing but the right hand thumb rule. Okay. So we have to write the statement of right hand thumb rule. Okay. So if we hold a current carrying conductor, in right hand in such a way that thumb shows the direction of flow of current, then the curl finger will show the direction of magnetic field. Okay. So this is the statement of the right hand thumb rule. Okay. So what is the statement? If we will hold the current carrying conductor in such a way that the thumb shows the direction of flow of current, then the curl finger will shows the direction of magnetic field. Okay. And there are many electronic devices, they are work on the same principle. Okay. So we have the different applications on the right hand thumb rule in designing the different electronic devices. Okay. We will learn this in our next part of the video. Okay. So this is the diagram that you have to draw one or twice so that you will get perfection, and this is the statement of the right hand thumb rule. Okay. So just hold the current carrying conductor in your right hand, then you will design how the statement will going to written. Okay. So आपको किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को कंसिडर करना है, दैट इज करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर, एंड होल्ड लाइक दिस, देन यू विल राइट द statement for the right hand thumb rule. Okay, see this thumb shows the direction of flow of current and the curl finger means the मुड़ी हुई जो फिंगर है ना, अब इस करंट जो करंट कैरी कंडक्टर इसके सराउंडिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस कर्ल फिंगर विल शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो what is the effect when we will change the direction of flow of current. Okay, अगर हमने इस करंट के डायरेक्शन को अगर हम चेंज कर दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऐसा हैंड हो जाएगा हमारा. ओके, अब नीचे में अगर डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट है देन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बिल्कुल अपोजिट होगा इसके. ओके, सो दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, सो राइट डाउन दिस पार्ट. The right hand thumb rule is also called as the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, so why this right hand thumb rule is compared by the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, see this is the bottle, this is the bottle, and bottle is packed by the cork. It is nothing but the cork. Okay, and there is one opener which is like a screw. Okay, this is nothing but a screw like opener. Okay, here we have the rings on the metallic part of the screw. Okay, it is screw. So we have to understand why this rule, that is the right hand thumb rule, why it is compared by the cork and a screw rule. Okay, so here the cork which is packed in a bottle, and when the opener which is like the screw which is used to remove the cork, okay, we are just moving around the cork over the, we are moving the screw over the cork with pressure. So these rings are, they penetrate inside the cork. Okay, and then we are moving the, when we are pulling this screw, then cork get pulled out. Okay, so here what is happening there? Okay, so it is the cork, it is the cork. Okay, and here the screw is penetrated over here. Okay, so when screw is penetrated, okay, the direction of penetrating of the screw is like this, is like this, which is same as the direction of magnetic field. Okay, and the screw is penetrated inside the cork in this direction. This direction shows the direction of flow of current. This principle is same as the right hand thumb rule. That's why the right hand thumb rule is also called as Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, so the direction of moving, or this screw is moving in a circular path which shows the magnetic field, and it is penetrating inside the cork shows the direction of flow of current. Okay, that's why the corkscrew rule and the right hand thumb rule are more or less similar. Okay, that's why the right hand thumb rule is also called as Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, so students, this is a very interesting part of our video. Okay, so write down both the diagram and just understood why this is called as the corkscrew rule of Maxwell's. Okay, so write down. So students, I hope you have already understood all about the right hand thumb rule and Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. In previous video, we have discussed about the different effects of magnetic current. Just watch this video once, okay, because this is very important, because in next video we are going to cover the magnetic field produced by the loop, okay, which is nothing but the current carrying conductor which is in the form of loop, okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय फॉर नाउ।